Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm gonna just be styling my hair with my little Dyson. I did get my hair toned the other day and I got a haircut, so it is a lot shorter than before, so I'm gonna try to style it now that it's a lot shorter, and also just because I want to style my hair because I haven't done that in a while. Lately I've been just putting it up in a hair clip or putting it up in a bun, so I want to take the time to style it for at least, you know, a few days before I have to wash it again. So this is what it looks like now. It's a lot shorter. I just wanted to change, like I wanted to, because my hair used to be like, say like to right here. So then I chopped off this much. Well, I didn't do it, but you know, I got this much cut off, and then I also got it a little bit darker for fall. But yeah, I just wanted to change. I wanted to cut my hair. Originally, I wanted to go a lot shorter, but my stylist suggested let's do here, you know, and then we'll see how you feel once you come back. But I think this length is perfect. Like, it's not too short. I'm still able to put it up in a bun. I'm still able to grab it with the hair clip, but I feel like maybe this length will be a little bit easier for me to style, and I won't be so lazy to style it in the mornings. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the usual, put all my hair products in before I start to style it. I'm just gonna damp it a little bit because we all know that the Dyson works a little bit better with damp hair. Okay, feels a little damp. Not like super damp, but just, you know, enough. So I'm just gonna go in with my normal hair products. I'm just gonna quickly detangle it. And I know I've mentioned this before, but this detangling spray from Kristen S works amazing, and it's only like $14. I'm just going in with some heat protectant, same one I always use, and it was just the Aussie Total Miracle one. And I'm also going to go in with the Kenra blow dry spray, and this one smells amazing. And then I'm just gonna apply this Keratin Silk Infusion from Chi, and I just do like one little drop, and like that, just because I'm scared that like my hair will feel really oily at the end. Alright, I'm just gonna section it off. And the last time I did a styling video like this, someone had commented that to try using it with a higher heat setting to see if like that would work to kind of prevent all that frizziness that I usually get in my hair. So I'm gonna try doing that today, and I'm just gonna work it in smaller sections to see if that works. I'm gonna be damping it even more as I go, so I can feel some sections that I missed. And for today's look, I'm just gonna try to add a little bit of volume, and just for it to be a little bit straighter, nothing too crazy. We'll just see how it turns out, you know, just going with the flow. I'm not really gonna go anywhere today, maybe just go to Target. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, so I'm gonna keep the fan setting at the same, and I'm just gonna keep it at the high heat setting, and then we'll see how it turns out. So set at the high heat setting. This is what it looks like. Do you see a little bit of frizziness? But I mean, that's just the bottom part. That's going to be covered anyways with the rest of my hair. All right, so I'm just going to continue doing my hair, and then we'll see how it turns out at the end. And I'm just using my regular round brush. I feel like this is like one of my favorite tools. Like, this attachment is my favorite. so this is what it looks like. It does have like these curvy edges. I tried to straighten them as much as I could, but it wasn't really working with me. So this is what it looks like from the back. It just has like, you can see like a few little layers. Some of the ends are like sticking out, but I mean, it's okay. It's not bad. I'm just gonna finish it off with some oil. This is the oil I'm using. This is Moroccan oil. And this was one of like the little Sephora birthday gifts, along with like a styling cream and a body oil. Oh, that is a lot. The only thing I don't like about this bottle is that like it doesn't have like a little pump. I prefer to use oils that either have a pump or a dropper, because then you can control how much comes out. But it smells really, really good, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling like oily. But I just love the way it smells. Right, but having the Dyson on the high heat I think does help with my frizz, because it doesn't look as frizzy. I mean, I do have a few little baby hairs right here, but it doesn't look as frizzy compared to other times when I've just used it on the low heat. So I feel like maybe that's what it was the entire time. I just wasn't using the right amount of heat in it. But I mean, but I like how it turned out, except for this little wavy part. I don't know why it always does that. Even before I cut my hair, it was like still doing that. But anyways, other than that, I mean, I like how it is. It's like semi-straight-ish. It'll be easier to style in the mornings, instead of having it like my normal crazy wavy curly hair that sometimes is just a tangled mess. So, but yeah, that is my hair for today and for the next few days until I wash it again. I say that this time it took me less time styling it than before. So yeah, and that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here, and if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to be my little, would love for you to join my little YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.